Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to a coder's journey, and this is another episode in my C# training tutorial. In this episode we're going to talk about the logical operators in C#. In the last video we talked about the comparison operators, which allow us to compare the values of different variables and return true or false. The logical operators will help us to compare the Boolean values and do different operations on them. We've got different, logical operators here. I'm going to talk about the logical AND, logical OR, and the NOT operator. And I'm going to tell you about all of them in an example. Suppose I want to declare my, for example, gender, and I'm going to say, yes, I am a man, and I'm going to say is programmer, and I'm going to say, yes, I am a programmer, right? So I have two bool values, both of them have the value true. And then I'm going to say bool male programmer. I'm looking for male programmers, right? And I'm going to, use these, and I'm going to AND them together. I'm going to, combine them using the AND operator. And I'm gonna console write line the male programmer. And when I run this in the output, I will get true. Now, the AND operator will result in a true value if all of the values which are used, all of the operands as they are called, are true. So for the AND operator to return true, all of the values should have the value true. If one of the values have the value false, the result will be false, as you can see. Another operator that we have here is OR. We can use the pipe character, and for OR to return true, at least one of the values has to be true. So you can have, for example, 10 values. 9 of these 10 values are false. Only one of them is true. The result of OR will be true. But you have 10 values, right? 9 of these values are true. One of them is false. The result of AND will be false. For AND to return true, all of the values have to be true. For OR to return true, at least one of the values has to be true. So if I run this, in the output I will get true because is male is true but is programmer is false. I'm going to OR them together and the result will be true, right? And we've got NOT. NOT is used when you want to negate a Boolean value. For example, is female, I'm not going to say false, I'm going to say not is male. It means whatever is in this variable, in this is male, negate it and then store it into, is female. So if this one is true, put is false, put false here. If this one is false, put, true here. So I can say, first off, print out is male and then is female. For male, I get true in the output, but for female, because I negate his male, in the output I get false, and this is how it works. We can have different scenarios for this. For example, suppose we are looking for male programmers. I'm gonna write a very simple example. I'm gonna say, okay, enter your sex. Male, female. And then I'm gonna say, okay, I will have a string variable called sex, and then I'm gonna, console read line, and then I'm gonna say bool is male, sex equals male. So if what the user enters is male, we capture it here, we talked about this, and we put it in this variable, and then we're going to compare this with the string male, and if they are equal, I'm going to put true into this variable. And I'm gonna do the same thing for job. Enter your job. Programmer, architect. And I'm gonna read job, and I'm gonna say is programmer, job equals programmer. And then in the output, I'm gonna say bool result is male and is programmer. If the user is male, right? I don't want to be sexist here. And he is a programmer as well, we're gonna put true into this result. And then I'm gonna say console write line result. So let me run this simple program. First off, I need to enter my name, male. Enter my sex, I'm sorry, male. And enter your job. Yes, I am a programmer. And then the application returns true. Now, if I run it one more time, suppose I am a male, but I am an architect. Architect. The application returns false because I am not what they are looking for. So you can, combine different bool values using and, or not. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. The most important thing when it comes to learning how to code, people, is to get your hands dirty. Just watching these videos, I don't think will get you anywhere. You have to code. You have to, run into errors. You have to try to think, to search online, to, solve these errors yourself so that you learn little by little. So what I suggest is that, as you watch the videos, please get your hands dirty. Just open VS Code or VS Visual Studio and, write down the codes, experiment with them a little bit, and that will help you to get a good grasp of what we are talking about here. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do. And you can also share this video with your friends who are, learning how to code in C#. And I will talk to you later. Thank you. Bye-bye.